Hello guys, so today we are going to make not an unlimited sugarcane farm, but we are going to make an automatic sugarcane farm. For that we will need 3 to 4 things. The first thing is an observer, the second thing is a piston, and the third thing is hopper, and the fourth thing is probably a chest, and other things we like a cobblestone or wooden planks, and the or we can use a glass as well. So first of all, what I will do is I will first search the recipe of making an observer. So according to that I will take the things from my chest. So simply I have to type it here. So here is the observer. So nether quartz, we will need 10 nether quartz to make one. Oh no, sorry, one to make one. So okay, so I will need to make just 5. So far and 5. So we have made 5 observers. Second, we have to make 5 pistons. Simply I have to search it here. So pistons, 8 pistons. So I will make 5, 4 and 5. Okay, so I have made 5 pistons. I will need hoppers as well. So to make hoppers we will need 6 hoppers. So hoppers I will simply type here HO. Yes, here is the hopper. Okay, I will need a chest. I have a chest, but this is which chest and which? Oh, draft chest. Okay, I have chests in my different. Okay, so I will have to go at different room. So no, here I have not put. So where did I put the chest? I will need to search a bit, but still we will make it. So just I will move up to my second. Oh shit, no problem, I have a second way of going upside. So from here we can go up. Oh shit, I think I don't have a pickaxe yet even, so I will have to cut it down with the help of a cobblestones, I think. So cobblestones, it will take a lots and lots of time, so I will pause the video. So finally I have broken down this block, and so we have to go up now. Again I have to jump out. Okay, I've come up. So I need chest. I have put somewhere the chest, I know that, but where exactly have I put down the chest? I will need to find it out. Not here, also not. So here is the chest. Okay, I will need a chest. Okay, I will go back to the crafting table to craft that. So I will go again back. So just here a little bit. Okay, so here, no, here is not my crafting table. Okay, at the next room it is. So I will need to go. So actually I wanted to show you my house, which is an older one. I made it much before, but still it's okay. I will show you in the next video, because today we are going to make an automatic sugarcane farm. So 6 hoppers I have made it. So I think the next thing we need is a water bucket. So water buckets I have, water buckets in which are filled with water. So I think I have the water buckets. This is the problem with me, actually I do not remember where the things I have kept. So here are the water. I think I have kept it here, but still I will search. Here is the water buckets. I got it finally. So in order to get the water, I will need to go back to my river, to a river which is just at the back side. Why am I not going down? Okay, I have I would went down. So I will need to go back side. So I will move it from out here. This is a shortcut to get out from my house and from the back side. So the just at the back side of my house is a small river. It actually isn't it is not a small river, but still comparatively it's still a small river. So here it is at the front side, we will need to go. So here are some flowers. I was thinking of making the red dyes and different colors dyes, but still they are not too much grown up, so I will cut it down when they are grown up. So I think I wanted the water, so just a second. Okay, so also I need to keep the buckets in. So I have first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th and 11th. Actually 11 buckets are more than enough for a unlimited sugarcane farm. So at the hub side of my house you can see the sugarcane. So this is the place where I am going to make my automatic sugarcane farm. So this time I did not misjudge myself. I pronounced it very clearly. It's automatic sugarcane farm. What problem with me is I did not first I used to be confused between automatic sugarcane farm and unlimited sugarcane farm. So unlimited sugarcane farm is not still it is not what we can say discovered in Minecraft. So first I will have to go upside. Oh shit. Okay, here are the fences, so I could not climb up on them. So I where are shit. There are okay, see, there was some problem, I think, or no, I will have to go straight up in order to go to my farm. Okay, I have come up. So here is my sugar cane. It has grown up too much, so I have brought a stone sword whose health is too low, but still it's okay. I have cut down the sugar cane. I got it. So I think I should keep this. Okay, two sugar canes. I should keep it out here. So sugar cane, four sugar canes, five sugar canes. I have to clear up this all area. So up to that I will pause the video so that your time is also saved and my time also is saved. So here is the last sugarcane. We are going to cut it. Okay, so it has been cut down. So first thing is that I have to clear up my unlimited water source, because it will make a problem in making our automatic sugarcane farm. So I have the cobblestone. To close this, you have to simply put the blocks and cover it with the blocks, and then when you will cut down the blocks, you will see that the water is vanished. So first thing, so I will not cut down the blocks. Instead I will make the blocks out here, because these blocks are also important. My cobblestone, shit, I will need a cobblestone, so I will go to my chests and take out some material like dirt. I will not take dirt, but still cobblestones or bricks I will take. I think my cobblestone is over just, so I will need. Oh, so why am I not going? Okay, so up till that time I get the cobblestone, I will pause the video. Okay, so I did not get the cobblestone, so I brought out the granites. It's granites. Okay, it's a granite. Actually I did not search much for the cobblestones, but still I 1 2 3 and 4. So I will make a sugarcane farm which is of 4 sorry 4 blocks, so in width. Okay, so I should have not put it out here, I think. So where should I put it? Okay, I got it. Where should I put it? So I will have to break it out. Take a lots of time. I did not bring my pickaxe. Actually pickaxe needs a saves actually a lots of time when it comes to breaking of the stones. So I think I have to put it here. Wait a second. Okay, here only. Yes, here. So now I will have to begin it from here. 1 2 3. Wait a second. I will put it first out here, then I will come up to here, and then I will go inside, and then what I'm going to do is I will cover it with okay, so this is how I am going to cover my farm. So what I have to do is I have to break out these stones. We are cobblestone, so I think I would have brought my pickaxe, but it will need a lots of time. So again I will pause the video. Sorry to say, but I need to pause it. Okay, so finally I have cleared this all. So why did I need to clear up? It has a simple reason, because we are going to put the hoppers out here. So in order to put the hoppers, we will need to clear this up. Okay, I will put all these granites here, and I am not going to break it out, so don't worry, I will not cut out the video. So simply I will have to cut this sand, because I need sand. I need a lots of sand. Sorry, just a second. Okay, so again I will go up. The sand which I have collected, I will simply put in the place of nether quartz. Nether quartz are those things which you will get in the nether nether portal. So where are my hoppers? I need to keep the hoppers in my. Okay, so here I have to keep the hoppers. First hopper, second hopper, first hopper, second, third, and fourth. Actually we did not need 5. We actually needed 5 hoppers, I crafted a hopper which actually we did not need, so it's okay. So I have put the hoppers out here. So in order to place the sand, we will first need to, okay, or oh shit, sorry. Why it I now, oh, why, what is happening? Just a second. Operator, just a second. I'll pause the video. I'll see what is the so at last I did not understand what is the problem with it, so I'll simply place my oh no, how, okay, here is where I have to put my sugar canes, and at this side what I have to do is I have to put one more layer of granite. Actually you can put glasses as well, but I still I think I don't have glasses. So now what I'm going to do is I will put my 5 pistons out here. So you have to be careful in this thing, that the pistons where you will put, their face should be at the front side as I have placed here. So what will happen is that your sugar canes will cut out and fall at the front, at where you have put the hoppers. What the hoppers do is they collect those things which fall in them and they store it in their chests, in the chest. So what I will need to go up for that. Again I have to put some blocks out here. Okay, so I have come here, just a second. Okay, so I've come up here. So now what I have to do is I have to place my observers in the place of, on above the array. I'm not getting the view, so I need to go up. Just a second, I'll go up. Okay, so I have come up till here. So I will take my 5 observers. Sorry, so I put it here. Where is his face? Just a second, I will crouch myself and I will see where there is his face. Oh shit, where is his face? Yeah, I think I have, oh shit, this is wrong, so I have to again take it out. I will pause the video. Okay, so I have cut down the observer which was placed at the wrong side. I'll put it now like this. Still it's not happening. So what is the problem is that I think I have to put it from this side. So I'll go back. Okay, I have to shift it a little here. Okay, I think now, okay, yes, I did it at last. So that observer, I will need to move it down. So what I have to do is I have to place it here. Okay, I have to jump up. Array shit, so the 2 observers are still not in a good position, so I will cut it down and pause the video. Okay guys, I understood what the problem was here. I did not connect the hopper, I think so. So first thing I will put it here, and then I will put my chest in front of here. So is there in hopper item for, oh shit, my observers were still I did not find them. So I will need to craft one, or no, not 2 observers I will need to craft. So suppose I am going to test it now. Just a second. So what is happening is, okay, sand is the hopper item. Okay, just a second. Okay, so I have placed my next observer as well. For this again I have to move it out here, move here, and again I have to put, I think so, granite here to make a floor. Okay, okay, I have made it. So I will uncrouch it. So I will move a little back. Here is my observer. Okay, I think it's okay now. So okay sir, okay. Now what I have to do is, now I have to make a floor downside surface. Okay, you can see it is surface or a floor, anything you wish. And what you have to do is I have to take my redstone out. So this is my redstone. So you have to, or this is the problem with me, I do not remember what is in my hand. So I have brought my pickaxe so it could easily, okay, it is connected, this is connected, this is connected. Okay, so I have connected this. So I have come down, and when okay, so I will have to cover it with glass. So I think I have brought glass with me. I will check my inventory. No, I did not bring the glass, so I have to bring the glass from my chest. So for that also finally got my glass. I did not pause it for more time, but at least I would have paused it for at least for 2 seconds, because I got it very early. it was kept in the chest which is downside, so I brought it. And now what I am going to do is simply I will cover it with glass. So here is my glass, so I will take the glass in hand. I this time did not forget, this is the glass. Second, what happened here? Oh sorry, I put that glass at so I will have to jump it out. Once you waste a glass, suppose you have pasted your glass at what we can say, at a wrong place, then you cannot collect it again. Once you hit the glass, it gets, what we can say, it does not collect, it breaks. So that is why you have to be very careful while uh, uh, taking your glasses or using your glasses, because glasses are can be used only once. So you cannot take risk with glasses if you have them, if you don't have them in a big quantity, because they do not simply do not collect after we break them. Rather than cobblestones or other kinds of objects, they collect easily, they are collected easily, but glass does not collect. So while taking glass you have to be very careful, you cannot make mistakes like me. So I have taken a big ball again, I have to come up here. 2 3 4, okay, I have made it finally. So I have covered it with the glass. So I have to break these glasses because these are making, okay, so they were making our look very poor, a kind of poor look where was there, but still no problem, we have covered it. So I think I need to cover it from this side as well. So okay, I will cover it from this side as well, from here. Second glass, I will have to climb, I will, third glass and fourth glass, okay. So this is covered with whole with glass. Oh sorry, keep in mind, whenever you will plant sugar canes, you will need the water. If you don't put the water there, shit, I did not care about this. I think water, okay, water was stopped, water stopped. So now from here I will put the water here. So I think I should make an unlimited water source. So here I have come up with, I will take the water here. So we are here. So now I think the sugar canes will get planted. So I have 31 sugar canes. Okay, so I will need only 4 sugar canes to be planted. Okay, so this is how you are going to make your uh, automatic sugarcane farm. So I will um, just check it out. So guys, just I will show you an example how your automatic sugarcane farm will work. As soon as you up till here, it will do nothing. Your sugarcane will keep on growing up till this. As soon as you will put the, okay, so I think I should move away a little. So I'll put a sand out here, so I will need to jump, I think so, but just a second. So I will put a sugar, just, what a problem is this, okay, huh. So now what I have to do is, just a second, I have climbed up, second, okay. So I will take a sugar cane and just see what happens. Okay, see, it has cut down the observer. See, just observe at your pistons. Okay, so just observe the piston. Yes, so this is how your automatic sugarcane farm will work. It will keep on producing the sugar, and the observers and the pistons will work and together to cut down the sugar. So you will not need to go again and again to cut down the sugars. And while cutting the sugars, what happens is, each and everything, when you have a chop at the bottom of the sugar cane, it does not the whole and sole sugarcane is not collected, only some part of the sugarcane is collected, but here the hoppers collect each and every part of the sugarcane. So this is also, sorry, I needed to pause my video for some time. So what you have to do is, you have to just click it here, see your sugarcanes. So what happens is automatically cut down of sugar happens in here. Automatic cut down of sugar happens. So due to this, what happens is always you will not need to go back again and again to your sugar farm to see whether it is functioning or not, whether there is any problem. It will keep, or the hoppers will keep on collecting your sugars. So I think I should remove my chest from here, as it is making a little problem in my automatic sugarcane farm. So I have put it here and have put it here. So whenever it will grow up to the height of my observers, the observers will observe it and the pistons will work to cut down it. So this is how my automatic sugarcane farm is going to work. I will never need again to go back to my sugarcane farm and cut them down. So this is a very big what we can say, a very big thing, or a benefit to you. A benefit to you, in simple words we can say that there is a benefit to you. So I had 52 glasses. If you observe, if you can see my downside inventory, I just have 8 glasses. So I uh, utilized many of those glasses, so I was careless. For that I am really sorry. But this is how your automatic sugarcane farm is going to work. Automatic cut down of sugarcane will happen in this, and you will be benefited. So in this video I will have, so this okay, so okay, sorry, up to for this video I will say goodbye to you. So bye, and we will meet in the next video. Bye.